I didn't need millions of naira to invest in the Nigerian companies, either via shares or buy Nigerians' debt, which is bonds. Dear James, welcome back to today's talk. Many investment firms will allow you to start investing with as little money as you have. Yes, with as little as 5,000 naira or 10,000 naira, you can start investing in Nigerian companies by buying shares or buying Nigerians' debt, which is through bonds. And the main aim is to put your money to work for you, earn in beautiful dividends. So the first step to take is to open investment account. If you don't know what I mean a brokerage account. Disclaimer: please do your due diligence as to which company would fit your needs or which company you want to open your brokerage account with. Yes, there are different apps and there are also different companies that are affiliated to it. Just ensure that whichever firm you are going to open your brokerage account with has these two things: the CSCS and your CHN. Then send money to it via your savings or your current account to your brokerage account and activate it. Now, back to stocks. You can buy into any Nigerian company shares with as little as 10 naira per share, depending on the company. Because beautiful stocks like Dangote shares is not going for 10 naira. Let's be clear. But with as little as 10 naira, you can buy into companies, and this is known as penny stocks. So if you want to get, for example, Fidelity Bank shares, which is currently, as of today, as I am making this video, it is currently going for 15 naira per share. If you buy 400 shares of it, that will be 6,000 naira. You can see you do not need that much to actually start. With 6,000 naira, you can buy 400 shares, which is going for 15 naira currently per share. As a student, you can just say in your mind, every month after your allowance, every month be buying 6,000 naira consistently. That is you putting your money to work for you. And when Fidelity is paying dividends, you also earn dividends from it. So you can see you do not need huge millions to start investing, though having millions will make the dividend rise, but to start you do not need huge millions to start. The truth is that consistency matters more when it comes to investing. You being able to manage your emotions matters more when it comes to investing. Now, bonds. Bonds is simply Nigerians' way of borrowing from you as a citizen of Nigeria. It's simply, I owe you. Give me your money and I will pay you interest on it. That is what all bonds is about. Just the government owing you money. And bonds can be purchased with as little as 5,000 naira upward to 50 million naira every month. Yes, bonds comes out regularly every month, and you can key into it with as little as 5,000 naira once you have your brokerage account, and the interest is paid every 3 months. But currently the bonds borrowing money has actually been very expensive, so the bond goes for either a 2-year tenure of 17% as at today when I am recording this video, while a 3-year bond goes for 18%. I actually buy into bonds every month, and they pay dividends every 3 months, which the stipulated date will be written on the issued bonds. I think I need to do a very deep, in-depth video about bonds generally, but my key purpose for this video is you do not need millions to start investing. Many brokerage firm allows you to start with as little as 10,000 naira. And also know why you are investing. As a growing adult, a student, trust me, you investing early is like a game changer. You can invest towards retirement or towards making money from the Nigerian money market. So onward from today going, tell me if you'll be investing in the Nigerian stock exchange market, and if I should do more video explaining both the shares and the bonds, even with your small amount of money. Yes, it is possible. Discipline and consistency is the nickname of investment. Trust me, over 10-year run, 20-year run, it is going to be so worth it that you started today. As a student, you would benefit from the compounded interest that is going to be on it over time. Companies grow so fast these days. It is not too late to up on it and start investing. Shares and bonds are one of the many financial instruments that can make you financially independent, that can bring money in through dividends. And you can start early. Yes, you can start as a student. It is possible. Thanks for listening. Click the subscribe button to know more and to also be updated once I bring out all things money about the financial markets. Bye bye.